Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of my Graphic 45 French Country album. And the reason for this is I am just starting to offer digital downloads for my instructions for some of my older albums. So I did this one years ago and offered kits for it and taught a class at my store. But now I am bringing it back as a digital download. So that link is below if you'd like to pick it up. And it will teach you how to, it's a straight copy from my original instructions. So it's not going to have measurements for your decorative paper because that was all pre-cut for you and in the kit. Well, everything was pre-cut. However, the base is going to have measurements because for my ladies that took the class, I wanted them to be able to make it again. So just note that it's only going to have measurements for putting the whole base together, not for the decorative. So you can go ahead and decorate it however you wish. So here is the front cover, and there are instructions on how to make this beautiful frame. And it's got a nice width to it there. So that's in the instructions. And sorry, it doesn't all fit on camera. Here's the spine. It's a pretty hefty book. Here, there's the back. You can see it's pretty thick. I've stuffed it. I've stuffed it to the max. And I'll probably take out a few things because I have really made it pretty thick. So the cover measures 8.5 by 8.5. And the spine measures 3 inches, it looks. Okay. So now the inside cover, now I've just taken some die cuts here. So again, because it's not a kit, obviously you're not going to have these in your kit. This is just going to be, the instructions are just going to say how to build the base of this book. So this is something I just went through some dies that I had and cut them out and put some photo mats on there. This was a tag from Graphic 45. Again, this was a nesting die that I had. There are going to be instructions for this little booklet though. This has little inserts I just put in there using the cut aparts. I just did a strip of paper here and put some glue on the side, and then on the, okay, so it doesn't open, but on the back we have a little pocket. So there are instructions on how to put that together, that little insert piece. And then we have this lovely diagonal pocket. So each page is going to have an insert, and then also let's pull out the insert now. So it opens up like this. There's the back, and then in each one I actually did different photo collages, but the inserts are put together the same. I used Embroidery Deep Edge Punch by EK Success. The only thing is it kind of curls up, so just from opening and closing it so many times. So I don't think I would necessarily do that again. I love the look of it though. So I either might make it shorter. I'm not sure. So just a heads up, using the edge punch, it does curl a little bit just because I've opened and closed it so many times. Not every page did it, but this front one for sure. And then the inside ones don't though. Like this one is, so it looks like that, but it's actually a pull-out insert. So each page is structured similarly in that it has the insert in the side, it has the large flap, and then it's going to have this pocket. From there, things get changed up. So like on this front one, you have a top flap. And then these, same thing. Now you have the flaps that are opening up to the side again, same way, but I decorated them differently, obviously. And then we have the side pockets, but then in this one, I use this beautiful die and turned it into a pocket. I just put some glue on the side, and I actually cut it out, I think maybe 3 times, 2 or 3 times, just so it was nice and thick and sturdy, and then stuck some things in there. So I don't think that the actual dies that I used, I don't think that information is in, I could be wrong, but I don't think it's in the instructions. The instructions are basically just so that you know how to put the whole base together, like the flaps and stuff. So there's a flap there and a flap there. So it just mirrors it. But you can see I did the photo mats differently. The photo mat measurements may be in the instructions. Now, I can't say that 100%, so you have to message me if you want to know that, and I can look it up for you. So that was just a little note to myself, but I created a little pocket here so I can insert a little tag and stuff. So this opens up. So on this pocket, I created a little flap and a pocket there for some more 4x6 photos. Again, you could decorate it however you want, put your pictures up however you like. And this one's like this. This side is like this. And then on this pocket, I chose to do a waterfall. And so the instructions are going to teach you how to do each different thing for each page. So again, we have the flaps. Oh, sorry about that. And then the way I decorated this one, I did a little strip of cardstock and decorative paper, but I put glue on the sides and bottom to make it an insertion point for some photos. And on this is pockets. So all these here, I did pockets and inserts like that. And same thing, side pocket. Every page has that same side pocket. And then on this side, I just have little pockets, side pockets here, like that. And you can put decorative paper here if you'd rather do that. I just did a place for a photo. And then on this side, it's the same thing. I did a strip of cardstock and made it a pocket. And then here I added 4 photo mats. Again, you can decorate it however you like. Oh, sorry, my book keeps hitting the camera. I did a 4x6 photo mat there. On the pockets, this opens up and then opens again. And that's how I did the collage of photos there. On this side, it opens like this. We have 3 side flaps. And then the last page, and I forgot to mention beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 base pages in this book. Oh, see, this got all curled up too. So the front and the back ones are the ones that really got messed up. So maybe on yours, you might want to do something a little different, or maybe just make it shorter. I don't know. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with that. Or even maybe cut it out to 1 or 2 more times and glue it on just to make it more sturdy. Okay, so then this last one, this opens up. There's a little magnet in there. This opens. This side flaps, and then I just put a few 4x6 photos in there. And then the back is done the same. It has that pocket, the angled pocket, and so I just threw in a bunch of, that's why it got so thick, because I threw in a bunch of photo mats in the inside front. Now if I don't do as many, the book will be not as super duper chunky. But this is in there in your instructions, this little insert, this little booklet that I created, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have liked this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to click on the link below to pick up your digital kit or digital and tutorial today. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.